I'm scared.
Slowly, slow.
It's going!
Release the clutch, release the clutch. This is Kimia, my beautiful girlfriend, and today we are gonna teach her how to ride a motorcycle. How do you feel?
Nervous?
Nervous?
Yes.
Why are you nervous?
Because this looks heavy and I never ride a bike before in my life.
You've never ride a bike before?
No.
This is gonna be fun. Let's go. All right, the first thing that you need to learn is how to get on the bike.
Okay.
How do you think you should get on the bike?
I think this is pretty easy.
Oh my God. Okay. All right.
Is it wrong?
Wait, is she tall enough?
Yeah, I think she's tall.
Check
Okay.
this side.
We should have probably started with a smaller bike. Let's go through some basics.
Okay.
This is the front brake. This is your gas.
Okay.
And your right foot controls the rear brakes. Your front brake has 70% of the power. Your rear brake only has 30%. So this bike has ABS. No matter how hard you push the brakes, your brakes are not gonna lock, so you're not gonna fall down. Other than the brake and the gas, there's two more things that you need to know before you can start riding. The clutch and the gears. The clutch is very simple. You know how to drive a manual, right?
Yes.
It's exactly the same thing with your hand.
I didn't sign up for this.
The gear is a bit tricky, okay? How do you think you have to shift this bike?
I don't know.
This is your gear. The gears go from 1, neutral, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are in neutral right now,
Yes.
right? You're in neutral right now. Go to 1. You push it down. So you push the gear down, you'll go to 1. Push it
Okay.
up,
4.
you'll go to 2.
If it's neutral 1 and 2, if I go up, it will go to neutral.
We have 1 full and you can do half to go neutral.
That's a bit tricky. I will sit here. You go.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We just taught my girlfriend how to ride a bike. Stay safe.
Subscribe! Subscribe!
Let's go.
Subscribe!
All right, so what was lesson 1?
Sit on the bike.
Sit on the bike. He's a fast learner.
This is not the brake, huh?
Okay.
All right, so you need to start the bike.
That's
That wasn't the start. You need to put up the jack. You just push it up.
I'm scared.
No, you're not.
I'm scared.
No, you're not. Okay, if you want to push the jack, put that foot down. Okay, now up. Now back on this foot.
Easy.
Easy. Turn on the bike. Okay.
wow.
Always hold the clutch, because if you don't forget to put the bike in neutral, you're gonna jump when you start. Now go back to neutral. Nice, nice, nice.
Easy.
Before you go, I need to ask you something. Do you even know what B2B is?
I can guess.
Dude, she has a dirty mind. Never ride without B2B. If you ride bikes, you should own. AJ drives B2B car shampoo, first thing in the description below. Put the bike in gear and slowly release the clutch. Ready?
Yes!
Set! Go! Slowly, slow. Nobody saw that, bro. Please cut this.
I'm the one who's editing it, so nobody saw that except
Yeah,
me.
cut it, cut. Now this time, slowly. Let me go with you. Slow.
Should I bring my leg up?
Not now. Slowly release the clutch. Slowly. I will go with you. Okay.
It's
Little more, little more, little more. Oh. Bro, she's a natural. Yes, I'm very proud.
To have a fast learner girlfriend.
Fast learning girlfriend. Now you're gonna learn how to go to gear 2.
No.
How do you go to second gear?
Up hard.
Okay, hold the clutch and go to second gear. Nice.
Oh, there is 2-step like.
Now go
one
to
and
third.
two.
There's no more 2 steps. You release this, it's like a car. You release this, you hold this, you go up 1 gear, and you release this and you grab again.
I didn't sign up for
This
this.
is called shaping
This-
your girlfriend into your own
Image.
image. Don't hit my car. Okay, put in first gear. I'm gonna hold you. Slowly release the clutch and add some gas. Nice, little bit more. Release a little
2,000
more.
years later.
Release the clutch. Release the clutch. Clutch. Gas. Clutch. Gas. Go. Okay, second. Go. Nice. Oh, she's actually making the U-turn by herself too. First of all, that's my brand new Yamaha MT-25. And second of all, that's my girlfriend, and if she falls, she's gonna cry, and I don't want that to happen. Okay, I think she's liking it way too much now. By the way, this is a housing area. There are not many cars passing by, all neighbors. So this is completely safe. Don't bash me for taking my girlfriend on a public road. This is not a public road. Good job, I'm really proud. I'm still proud. But you have a long way to go. Alright guys, if you like the video, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. Share this with your friends. Smash your girlfriend tonight. I'll see you in the next one.